Hi everybody, Lance the option teacher here. This video I'm going to go over 3 of the winning trades I did with the SRX level. I actually did 6 trades and they were all winners. It was a really good day in scalping. First trade was the SPY TM trade. Here you can see it was a put. I bought a 678 put at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, 1.64. And then I closed it out at 2. The arrow's a little lower there because we bought a put. Essentially, a pretty straightforward trade there. Here was the Thinkorswim. Bought 1.64, 7 contracts. Sold 6 of them at 2. And that was only 6 minutes later. I kept a runner to see if it might continue downward. I closed the runner at 1.92. That was a trailing stop order because I couldn't watch the market during it. So all I have to do is set the OCO here. You take profit and loss. What I personally did is I do an OCO on one less contract than I started with. And then I leave the runner to see if it might possibly make even more. Trade 2. Here you saw a bullish candle, bullish on the arrow. I bought 679 calls, 3 of them at 1.25. Then I closed 2 of them at 1.45, so $20 per contract there. I had a runner on. The runner closed at 1.3, just in case it would have kept running up. With that PDL there, probably should have closed the third one out at a good $20 gain anyway. That would have been almost 20%. This was the screenshot of the trade. 1.25, closed at 1.45, and then got out of the runner. Trade 3 was a put. You notice how it broke the S1, retested it. So I bought 3 put contracts, 1.18, and closed 2 at 1.31 with a runner stop in case it kept dropping, but that stopped out at 1.2 because the wick went up. A few other things. The SRX indicator has finally the diamond signals. These are breaks and retests. And these have been working really well with most of the strategies that I've been doing. Notice S1 and S2 throughout the day was very close to the levels. You saw S1 breaks down. You see S2 bouncing off. These are very clear support and resistance for the day. And you can see you could have taken many trades here. The ideal trade would have been this candle here, where you could have bought the put here at 677, taking it down to 675. Would have been a really good gain there on that. You see it did not want to go below that S2. Bounced up right to S1. Came close to S2. Right to S1. These levels are really accurate. So if you're interested in seeing these very accurate support and resistance levels, seeing the indicators for when we could do buy and sell entries, and also break and retests, as well as hearing commentary from a lot of like-minded scalpers, swing traders, and whatnot, you want to join the SRX levels. It's linked in the description down below. Hope to see you guys there, and I'll see you guys on the next video.